Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LastPass Vault using emergency access email, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your LastPass Vault using an emergency access email, first, ensure you have the emergency access feature enabled in your LastPass account. Open your web browser and navigate to the LastPass website. Log into your LastPass account using your master password. Once logged in, locate the option for emergency access in your Vault settings. If you haven't set up an emergency access contact, you will need to add someone now. Select the option to add a new emergency access contact. Enter the email address of the person you wish to designate as your emergency contact. Choose the waiting period before they can access your Vault. After saving these settings, inform your emergency contact about their role. In case you need to restore your Vault, have your emergency contact log into their email. They will find an email request from LastPass after the waiting period has elapsed. Upon receiving the email, they should follow the instructions provided. They need to click on the link within the email to access the recovery options. Their actions will lead them to the LastPass site where they can grant you access to your Vault. Once access is granted, you will receive a notification or email. Log back into your LastPass account, and you should see your Vault restored. If you encounter any issues during this process, check the LastPass support page for additional help. Always ensure your backup and recovery options are up to date to avoid losing access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.